Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop in and just share a little bit of information. Number one, thank you to those of you who completed the Survey Monkey. I received 6 responses, and basically it sounds like this course is going well, which I feel that too, because I'm really enthused about how things are progressing. And the one comment, actually there were 2 comments regarding the structure of the matrix. So I'm going to take a look at revising that a bit, and I know that the matrix was a little bit of a challenge in our last course as well. So that's something that I'm really going to take a deep dive into and look at ways to refine that a little bit, since the structure for those 2 courses really lends to something different than a paper. So if you have particular comments or feedback or have ideas how to make this a more user-friendly tool as far as the matrix, please do let me know. I appreciate that. The other thing is, I just wanted to touch base with you. Our interactions and our discussions have been very vivid, and you have been helping each other out to really expand those perspectives and look at different resources that are available, and sharing those with each other. And that's such a critical piece as far as not just now, but in the future as well, is really sharing the insight that you have with those that you serve as a leader. So always keep that in mind, to share those really valuable tools with others to spread population health. And that's part of the factor of what we as nurses, as leaders, are actually charged with doing, based on the Future of Nursing report, is actually being the change in healthcare. And you all are possessing those tools to be that change. So I really appreciate that you're diving in and really embracing the concepts of population health. So just as kind of a reminder, we're really pulling on all of those principles that we've addressed in previous courses, varying from informatics to ethics to policy to finance to epi. So we're really integrating all of those concepts within population health and within population health practice. So know that that's all melded within this particular course, and you are showcasing all of those, whether you realize it or not, showcasing those skills that you've gained are refined through the DNP program. And that's such a critical factor as we're in our last didactic course. So the other thing that I do want to share with you and want you to think a wee bit about is that as you are practicing population health, as I alluded to earlier, you are actually empowering populations to be the change, and you are the catalyst for that to occur. And as we're charged as nurses to make that change, not only does it do the principles apply in population health, but the same principles that we're embracing as far as the how-to in doing population health, with the collaboration, the shared mission, vision, and looking at mutual benefits, all of those factors really are encapsulated within leadership practice. So not only are we building skills in collaboration and looking very broad as far as interorganizational collaboration, as well as interdisciplinary collaboration, all of those pieces will be very critical to you as you move forward in your leadership practice. So it not only holds true to population health, it holds true to your practice each and every day. And in actuality, you are learning those life skills, and some of those life skills being that upstream thinking to really shift how we view the experience of health and building that culture of health much like we want to build a culture within our organization. So the same kind of principles translate and are very fluid across different areas of practice. So I just want you to take a step back and just think a little bit about that and how you can actually translate some of the things that you're learning within this course as far as those key principles, and apply that to your everyday leadership practice and basically your everyday life as well. So just food for thought. If you need anything from me, if you have any questions or concerns as you're really finalizing your project design or your design project, let me know. I'll be happy to talk through your ideas with you, and we're going to have some fun in this week's forum. We're going to be doing some public service announcements, and again, this is a very critical skill that not only applies to health related issues, but also applies to very clear and concise messaging when we're speaking with folks as leaders as well. So again, much of what we're practicing right here will translate in multiple ways for you as you move forward. Take care now. I hope you all had a very happy Thanksgiving, and let me know if I can help you in any way.